Hello all, this is Sidrarehman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this tutorial makeup look. I know everybody doing smoky eyes and everything, but truly, nobody ever do smoky eye on the Eid. Be realistic. Nobody ever do smoky eye. We are not celebrities to do smoky eyes and do anything like that. That's why I created this simplest, easiest makeup look that you create minimum 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and that's why I created this makeup tutorial. I'm starting with primer. I'm using Lakme Absolute Bow Perfect Makeup Primer. I'm using my finger to blend this all out. In my crease and outer corner. Now I'm using clean flat brush and this Master Chrome highlighter all over my lid. Again, I'm using same brush to blend this all out. I'm using angle brush and these two shades to fill my eyebrow. For a base, I'm using Lakme 95cc cream. I'm using this buffer brush to blend this all out. I'm using same concealer to conceal my face. For contouring, I'm using Nybae. This, okay, what is this? Is a contouring stick. I'm using this angle brush to blend this all out. I'm using concealer brush to blend this all out. For highlighting my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. base dew powder in color light medium. I'm using this lighter shade to set this concealer. I'm using same light color powder to blow my contour. Rehman Cosmetic Diamond Blush in the color 50 in the color 05. It's a bronzy color and have a lot of shimmer in it. I'm using this brush. I'm using this Sivanna Ultra Blush palette. I am using this contour shade to contour my nose and to set this cream contour a little bit. I'm using this small brush to contour my nose. For highlighting today, I'm using this Master Chrome highlighter in Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in color Molten Gold. I'm using mask aloe makeup fixer to set this all. Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It's sorry, brown color kajal. It's from Lakme Iconic range. Silkissme eyeliner in color turquoise green. Silkissme color. It is from the palette Makeup Revolution Ready-Made Palette Essential Day to Night. On lips, I'm using this Relvon Ultra HD matte lip color in color seduction. Legal glazed lip paint in color daring. This is a makeup look I created on the occasion of for the occasion of Eid, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel before leave.